Hello and welcome to day 3 of me cooking something and uploading a video every day for 30 days. A challenge I put myself up to that has proven to be intense thus far. Today we're going to keep it a little bit simple. I have something ambitious planned for tomorrow and life's all about balance. So today we're just gonna make a simple broccoli grilled cheese. Yay! I've got this beautiful loaf of bread. I've got this nice head of, is it a head? Is it a crown? It's a crown, right? This is gonna be a delightful little lunch. I can't wait. For this broccoli grilled cheese, I'm going to steam the broccoli in my rice cooker. I have a separate video on that if you're wondering how to do it. But first we need to cut the broccoli into florets. We're gonna chop them up smaller later on to go in the grilled cheese, but while we're steaming them, we don't want them to be too small because, take a little look, there are these holes in the steaming basket and I don't want the florets to fall through once they get soft. And I'm gonna save the stems. They work really well chopped up in salads for a little extra crunch. They taste sort of like a radish. Okay, while the broccoli's steaming, I'm going to get my cheese ready. I am once again using my favorite Cabot habanero cheddar. You're really gonna watch me go through this whole delightful brick of cheese within the week. Is that enough? I don't know. I think so. Are you girls excited for this grilled cheese? Are you excited? Yeah, she's excited. I'd love to just briefly discuss the merits of a broccoli grilled cheese. Firstly, it's a grilled cheese, so that's delicious. Secondly, you're sneaking a little bit of vegetables in there. You're being healthy. Thirdly, the broccoli's done. I'm just going to chop the broccoli into tiny little pieces. That looks great. I'm gonna use this marathon bread from Wegmans. It's got like fruit and veggies in the bread. What a bread, what a bread, what a bread, what a mighty good bread, what a mighty, mighty good bread. It's time to assemble. Today, we're really gonna test the limits of how much you can pack into a grilled cheese. Oh. You know what? Scratch this. Forget what you saw. I'm gonna put cheese on each piece of bread so that the broccoli just gets glued in there. This looks very messy and I'm sorry about that. Nobody panic, we can do this. Oh. Our old friend, the Country Crock plant butter, is back. Okay, moment of truth. You know what I'm gonna do? A little hack to get the cheese to melt evenly without one side getting too crispy. I'm gonna put a lid on. It's gonna get steamy in there. And the cheese is gonna melt. Yeah, that's a little meltier. Oh no, it smells burned. Oh no, yay! Okay, that's not so bad. And I don't know if you noticed, but that was a pretty confident flip. Okay, she's kind of a beauty. Like, she's pretty and she knows it. The real question though is she cheesy enough to do the highly coveted, the always alluring cheese pull? Okay, well, not really a cheese pull, but it does look delicious. Okay, last little thing I'm gonna do. I've got this leftover jar of homemade pizza sauce, and I'm going to put a little bit in a dish and dip my grilled cheese in it. If you dip, I dip, we dip. We're all done. So good. She's beauty and she's grace. She's Miss United States. I'm in a singy mood today. Sorry about that.